system in Austria has been the first one all over Europe. It started 20 years ago, so it's in place for already quite a while, which led to the situation that's already now a large part of Austrian agricultural production and food production is GMO-free. GMO-free production sort of has turned into a quality element of Austrian production. And as we see now, as GMO-free labeling also develops in other European countries, also is a factor for export opportunities for Austrian companies. So in Austria since 2010, the complete dairy production and the complete egg production is GMO-free. And since 2012, the complete poultry production is GMO-free. So large chunks of animal production, and we are actively working to convert pork production at the moment. But there are also not only animal productions wearing the GMO-free label, but also plant production such as maize or bread, wheat, all different sorts. We have about 2,800 products at the moment that use the label, and there especially is a very strong support in Austrian retail. About 90% of Austrian retailers actively support GMO-free labeling and use the label on their own brands as a special quality communication to consumers. AG Gentechnikfrei is an association that has the task to allocate the label and to look after quality management of the standard. And the members of the platform are on one hand food and feed producers, and on the other hand retailers who are using the label in the communication to consumers. So the members pay a fee, pay a license fee, and AG Gentechnikfrei sort of has the role of being an active player and participant in public debate and political debate on GMO issues. So it's sort of the representative platform of companies and retail organizations dealing with non-GMO products.